So next question, similar question, you try this problem. Find the equation of circle passing through origin. Find the equation of circle passing through origin 0, 0 and making intercepts 6, 4. That means on x-intercept it is 6 units, on y-intercept it is 4 units respectively. That means you have to find out equation of circle when x-intercept is given and y-intercept is given. It is similar to the previous problem. So please try this problem. So with this we have one more problem to complete. Okay, so we'll do the next problem. Next question. Find the equation of circle which is concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 and passing through minus 2, 14. Okay, so before doing this, we have to know what are concentric circles. So what are concentric circles? Two circles having the same center. See, two circles having the same center are concentric circles. So now this is the same center we have for both the circles. See, here the equation of circle is given, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So we have to find out another equation of circle which is concentric to the given circle. That means here one more important point is, if two circles are concentric, they have same center but they differ in radius. Two circles are concentric, they have same center but they differ in radius. So here what we do is, see, first we write the given equation. What is given equation? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 as equation 1. Now what we do is, we will assume let the equation of circle concentric with the circle 1. Let the equation, we are assuming, let the equation of circle concentric with equation 1 is, see, we get the same equation, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y. As they differ by radius, in the equation, in which way they differ in a constant. Instead of minus 12, we write plus k is equal to 0 and put it as equation 2. See, two circles are concentric, they have same center but they differ in radius. But how we show the difference in radius? In equation. It's just in whatever the constant they give, remove the constant and add k. Now, in this equation, we have to find out k. So, how to find out k? We give one more condition. The required equation of circle passes through minus 2, 14. It is given in the problem that this equation passes through minus 2, 14. So, here I write minus 2, 14 and I will substitute this in equation 2. Why we have to substitute? Because it is given in the problem, the required equation of circle or the circle which is concentric to equation 1 passes through minus 2, 14. So this minus 2, 14 I am substituting in equation 2. So substitute minus 2 square 4 and 14 square is 196. 14 square is 196. Then minus 6 into minus 2 minus 4 into 14 plus k is equal to 0. We'll simplify this. So this is 200 plus 6 2s are 12 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. 14 4s are 56. Now this will be 212 minus 56 plus k is equal to 0. So if we simplify this, we get 156 plus k is equal to 0. So what is k value we get? Minus 156. K value is minus 156. After getting the k value, what we have to do is we have to substitute back. So k is minus 156. Now Substitute k is equal to minus 156 in equation 2. In equation which we have k. Substitute this. So we get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y and k value is minus 156. I am substituting here. Minus 156 is equal to 0 is the required equation of circle. So this completes this problem as well as this completes exercise 1a. So next we completed exercise 1a. Exercise 1b. In exercise 1b we have some formulas. So first is notations. Notations. It is notations. So we represent some equations with notations with some letter. Notation means suppose you have equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We represent this equation with s. So whenever we get s is equal to 0, it is understood that it is a general equation of circle. Okay, so next one is S1. So how to represent the notation S1? It is xx1 plus yy1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So this is S1 notation. You have to by heart this notation. And next S11. S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Okay, so these are the three notations you have to by heart. Using the notations we have some more formulas. So that the first one is the position of a point with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is. See here the position of a point. So how to represent the position of a point? Suppose you consider a circle. This is center. Okay. Now a point P is equal to x1 y1 is a point in plane. P is equal to x1 y1 is a point in plane. Now we have to locate the position of this point with respect to the given equation of circle. So how we locate that point? The location of the point depends on S11. So you have to use this S11 notation. So if S11, we find out S11 with respect to a given point in circle. If this S11 greater than 0, point lies outside the circle. If the S11 is less than 0 means a negative value, the point lies inside. If S11 is equal to 0, the point lies on the circle. So here the position of a point means you have to find out S11 and you check whether it is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. Okay, so this is the next formula. The power of a point. The power of a point x1 comma y1 with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 is S11. So to know the power of a point with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 is S11. Now what is power of a point? Power of a point means here we have a circle center and we also have radius. What is radius? We denote it as r. Now where is point Px1 y1? Px1 y1 is a point in plane. Now what is power of a point? The power of a point means it is nothing but Cp square minus r square. See, what is P? The P is a point x1 y1 is any point in plane. This point may be outside or inside. It may be anywhere, outside or inside. So Cp square, that means the distance between these two, the square of the distance, Cp square minus r square means what? The radius. Cp square minus r square. This gives the power of a point. If we simplify Cp square minus r square, we get S11. So simply, whenever we are finding a power of a point with respect to the circle, we find S11. So this is the second formula. So next one also is there. Next one, the length of a tangent to the circle s is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is under root s1. Length of a tangent. Now what is a tangent? Suppose we have a circle. See, length of tangent is, first we have to know what is a tangent. Tangent means if a line touches a circle at one point, if a line touches a circle at one point, the line is called tangent. So here we'll find out the length of this tangent. So what is the length of the tangent when a circle equation is given? The length of a tangent when a circle is given to you, x is equal to 0 is a circle, with respect to a point x1 y1 is under root s1. So you should know, you have to by heart these locations, then easily you can apply these formulas. Okay. So exercise 1b, first problem. Locate the position of a point P 3, 4 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12. So here we have to check the position of a point. That means we have to check whether the point lies inside, outside or on the circle. So to check this, what we do is we have to find out S11. So it depends on S11. If S11 greater than 0 lies outside, if S11 less than 0 lies inside, if S11 is equal to 0 lies on the circle. So S11 is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. Now, what is the point given to us? It is 3, 4. So we are substituting 3 square 9, 4 square 16, and what is 2g? Coefficient of x is 2g. So that is minus 4 into 3. Coefficient of y is 12. That is minus 6 into y1 is 4. Here coefficient of x will be 2g. 2g is 4. So 4. And x1 is 0.3. Coefficient of y is 12. So that is minus 6 into y1 is 4. Plus c. Constant is given as minus 12. So let's simplify this. It is 25 minus 12 minus 24 minus 4. 4 3s are 12, 6 4s are 24 and minus 12 as it is. So 25 minus 12 minus 24 is minus 36. Minus 36 and minus 12 is minus 48. So we get 23. It is minus 23 directly. 25 minus 48 is minus 23. So clearly S11 is less than 0. Is S11 less than 0. Then what is the position of the point? So we say the point lies on. Sorry, the point lies. See, we say the point lies inside the circle. We say the point lies inside the circle because we got S11 less than 0. That's all. Complete. Similar problem, you try this problem. Locate the position of a point 1, 5 with respect to the circle. Locate the position of point 1, 5 with respect to the circle. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Just you try this one. Okay. After that, the next question. Find the power of a point 5, minus 6 with respect to the circle. X square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. So the power of a point is nothing but cp square minus r square. But cp square minus r square is nothing but S11. So just find out S11 again. We get some value. That value gives the power of the point with respect to the circle. We find out S11, we get a value. That value is the power of a point with respect to the circle. So S11 notation is x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is S11. Now we substitute 5 square 25 minus 6 square 36. 2g is nothing but coefficient of x. 8 into 5. This one is 5. And 2f. Here 2f is nothing but coefficient of y 12. So it is 12 into minus 6. 12 into minus 6 plus c. That means plus 15. So 25 plus 36 is 61 plus 40 minus 72. So these are 72 plus 15. So 61 plus 40 is 101 minus 72 plus 15. We'll subtract these two. It is minus 57. So now 101 minus 57. 101 minus 57 is the answer. It is 44 we are getting. 101 minus 57 is 44. So what is power of a point with respect to the circle? The power of a point with respect to the circle is 44. So this completes the problem. So next, a similar problem you try. Find the power of a point minus 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Try this problem. Next question. Find the length of tangent from minus 2 comma 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. Find the length of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0 with respect to the point minus 2 comma 5. So the length of tangent, the length of tangent with respect to the circle s is equal to 0 at x1 comma y1 is under root of s11. So now under root of s11 notation, x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c plus 2fy1 plus c is length of tangent. Now we will find out. So under root of, the point is given to us. What is the point? Minus 2 comma 5. I am substituting now. x1 square is 4, y1 square 25. Now coefficient of x from the equation of circle is 2g. Here what is the equation of circle? It is, the equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. So here in the equation we have x square y square, but we don't have x term and y term. That means if we have x term we can get g value. If we have y term we can get f value. So here x term and y terms are not there. That means those coefficients are 0. That means g value is 0, f value is also 0. But we just write 0 and 0. 0 and 0 into anything is 0, 0 into anything is 0. Now what is constant? Minus 25. So substitute that minus 25. So now after substituting, plus 25 minus 25 cancels. What is square root of 4? It is 2. So what is length of a tangent? 2 units. So this completes the problem. Next question. If the length of tangent from 5 comma 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0 is 1. You have to find the value of k. So here length of tangent is given as 1. That means what is given here? It is given that root s11 is 1. Length of tangent is 1. Now square them on both sides. So we get s11 is equal to 1 square 1. Okay, to eliminate the root we are squaring. After that what we do is we write down the notation of s11. x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c is equal to 1. See, root s11 is given as 1. Length of tangent is 1. Square them on both sides so that the root get eliminated for the notation and 1 square 1. After that, write the notation and equate to 1. Now, what is the point given? It is 5 comma 4 they substitute that. 5 square 25, 4 square 16. Then what is 2g? 2g is nothing but, see again I repeat the circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0. From the equation, we don't have x term. If you have x term, the coefficient of x will become 2g. But here we don't have x term. So 2g value is understood to be 0. 0 into 5 is 0. Plus, what is coefficient of y in the equation of circle? It is 2k. So 2k into, what is the value of y1? It is 4. Plus c, we don't have any constant, so it is understood to be 0 and just equal to 1. We don't have c value, it is understood to be 0. So now we get 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. 25 plus 16, 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. So what is 8k we get? It is minus 40. Then what is k value? Minus 40 by 8. So k value is minus 5. So this completes the problem. You try one similar problem. The problem is, if the length of tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is root 37. Find k. So try this problem. Okay. So this completes the class. So next class we will continue.